Hi you guys, if you want to learn how to go from this to this, stay tuned. So this is the result of my pot bubbling over and kind of scorching the stove. So I'm just taking a dry cloth and wiping off any of the excess food. Now I'm taking a razor that's designed to use on your cooktop. I wouldn't recommend using like a regular razor that you would buy from the store. I would recommend you use something that actually is designed to use on your cooktop. So I'm just going back and forth and side to side, making sure that I pick up that blade every time I move directions. You don't want to like drag it across your cooktop because you will probably scratch it that way. So every time that you want to go a different direction, just make sure that you pick the blade up. I scraped off the large particles of burnt food. I went ahead and used that same dry cloth and wiped off the rest of that debris. So I'm going to move on to my next step, which is using this Cerama Bryte cooktop cleaner, and I'm going to shake it up first and then put that on the area that I am currently cleaning. Using that same razor blade, I'm going to go up and down, back and forth, remembering to pick up my blade when I switch directions. I don't know if I mentioned this, but you don't want to use a whole lot of pressure. Like, don't put your body weight into it, you know? You want to use enough pressure to get off the burnt food, but you don't want to use too much to where you're going to crack or scratch the surface of your stove. And right here is just a visual of what not to do. You definitely don't want to go in a zigzaggy type motion because you probably will scratch your stove that way. Okay, we're almost done. So now I'm going to take that same cloth, but I wet it with hot water, and I'm just going in buffing circular motions and wiping off all of that Cerama Bryte off the stove. Then I rinsed my cloth again with really hot water, and I went over the stove once again. Last but not least, I'm going to take a microfiber towel and once again using buffing motions and going all over the stove. And this is just taking away any streaks or watermarks that may have been left on the stove with using that wet towel. Done. Look how good the stove looks. It's shiny, bright. You can see everything reflecting off of it. It looks so good. I just love a squeaky clean stove. I love a clean kitchen. So this makes me happy, literally. I thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and leave a comment below. I will see y'all on the next one. Until then, bye.